Anytime you have stress, you're going to have an emotional quality that goes with it. Emotions can cause the stress to begin with. There's a very simple one-point recipe that will take care of this stress and this emotion via this technique. It's right on the outside of the thumb. On the thumb, right between where the cuticle and the thumb starts, okay, you want to press in firmly and hold this for 15 seconds. Now this will release the throat. Now emotions center in the throat. And anytime you get emotional, you get choked up. You start to well up in the throat. And to release it, all you have to do is, with yourself, you can do this by yourself, is hold that point for 15 seconds on one side. Doesn't matter which side it's on, that you can do it on both sides. Now this also releases sore throats as well. So it's not just for an emotional problem or if you feel yourself being choked up. But as a sideline, if you do a lot of public speaking, and you get up there and you get a little nervous, your throat gets a little dry, it gets a little scratchy, and you just may be tentative about talking in front of a group, you can just use this simple remedy on yourself just standing there, and that will release that pressure and help you talk clearer. So that, once again, is lung number 11, right on the outside of the cuticle of the thumb.